Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a poll on Reddit. First, let's go into the Reddit app. Once in the app, you will tap on the plus at the bottom of the screen like you will normally do to upload a photo. And from here you will see the option poll. You are going to tap on that. And as you can see right here, some communities don't allow polls. And you will simply add your title. Then you'll add the body of the poll. And you'll add the options, meaning the answers. And after you have done that, you can add more options if you would like. And you can set an end date for the poll. Then you'll simply tap on next in the top right hand corner. And from here you will choose the communities that you are subscribed to. As you can see right here, you will choose the one that you would like to post the poll in. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.